So students, today we will talk about the introduction of exercise 1.5 chapter first set class 11 NCERT maths. Okay. So in this exercise, first of all we are having what? Complement of a set. Okay. Complement of a set. What is complement of a set? We will know through the definition, but you should not memorize this definition. Already I told you, whatever the definition I am giving to you, you should not memorize it, you should understand only. Is that clear? So what is the complement of a set? If U be the universal set and A be a subset of U, if U be the universal set and A be the subset of U, then complement of A is a set which contains all the elements of U except the elements of A, and we denote it by like this. What is complement of a set? What we have written, if A be the universal set, if U be the universal set and A is a subset of U be the universal set and A is a subset of U, then what is the complement of A? The complement of A is also a set. The complement of A is also a set which contains all the elements of U, which contains all the elements of U. This is U means universal set. Okay, and except the elements of A. That means what? अगर कोई U यूनिवर्सल सेट होगा, ओके, और कोई एक सेट है A, यूनिवर्सल सेट का एक सबसेट होगा, तो A का कंप्लीमेंट क्या होगा? यूनिवर्सल सेट का सारा एलिमेंट्स उसमें रहेगा कंप्लीमेंट में, बट जो A में एलिमेंट्स है, सेट A में जो एलिमेंट्स है, वो सब एलिमेंट्स कंप्लीमेंट में नहीं रहेगा. कहने का मतलब ये है. क्लियर? एंड वी डिनोट इट बाय A complement. Okay, let's have an example, then it will be clear to you like water. Okay, very easy it is. Okay, suppose U is equals to, U be the universal set. Okay, U is equals to 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, and A is equals to 4 8 9. Okay, U is equals to 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and A is equals to 4 8 9. So clearly we can tell what? A is a subset of U. 4 8 9 and 4 8 9 also is there. So clearly we can tell what? A is a subset of U. Okay, now if A is a subset of U, then A complement, that means complement of A, that is how we should denote, like this. Complement of A we denote like this, that is a complement equal to what? All the elements of U except the elements of A. Okay, all the elements of U except the elements of A. So what are the elements of A? 4 8 9. 4, 8 and 9. So except 4, 8, 9, we have to take all these elements of U. That will be the complement of A. Clear? So what are the elements? 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 10. Can you see it? We have not taken here what? 4, 8, 9. Because why? These are the elements of A, and complement of A means we have taken all the elements of universal set but except all the elements of A. That is why I have given here universal set and is a subset of U. Then complement of A is a set which contains all the elements of U, except the elements of A. These three elements we have accepted. Is that clear? So this is called the complement. Okay, and what is the representation? What is the representation of the complement? That means representation is what? Representation. That means as a set, what is the representation of the complement? That is what? X such that X belongs to universal set and X not belongs to A, where A is a subset of U. Okay, X such that X belongs to universal set means X will be what? X will be an element of universal set, and X not belongs to A. X does not belong to A. That means X will not in A. Okay, and A will be A is what? A is the subset of U. This is the set representation. This is the set representation of complement. Okay, and another thing, mathematically how should we tell that what is complement? A complement equal to universal set minus A. That means what? If you will subtract all the elements of A from the universal set, then you will get what? You will get the complement of A. Is that clear to all? Now we will have the Venn diagram, then it will be too much clear to you. Okay, so pause the video to note it down. Now we will do what? Venn diagram of A complement. Okay, so Venn diagram means universal set must. Already I told you, Venn diagram means universal set must. So this is the universal set, suppose. Okay, and this is the A. This is what? This is A, and that means what? A in A complement equals to what? Universal set minus A, and through the definition it is what? A complement is a set which contains all the elements of U, except the elements of A, but not the element of A. So that means what are the A complement? That means all the elements of U. Okay, all the elements of U but not the elements of A. Okay, this all the elements of U but not the elements of A. So this shaded portion is what? This shaded portion is A complement. Okay, this is called what? This portion is called what? Here you can write, no need to write outside. This is called what? This is called A complement. This is called what? A complement, that means all the elements. A complement, okay, that means what? All the elements of U, but not the elements of A. Okay, all the elements of U but not the elements of A. This is the representation, Venn representation of complement of a set. Okay, so pause the video to note it down, and then we will take another example. So we have taken another example. Universal set equal to this one, A is equal to this one, B is equals to this one, and we have to find out A complement, B complement, A complement intersection B complement, and A union B complement. Okay, so first of all we will solve question 1, A complement. So A complements means what? A complement is a set which contains all the elements of universal set except the element of A. Whenever we are finding the A complement, then we have to we have to take all the elements of universal set but except A. But whenever we will find the B complement, then we have to take all the elements of universal set except B. Why? Because you can see A is a subset of U, 4 and 5 here, and B is a subset of U, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. Clear? So that means what? A complement equal to all the elements of U का सारा एलिमेंट होगा बस A छोड़ के. तो A में क्या क्या है? 4 and 5. So 4, 5. So except 4, 5 we have to take all the elements. 3, 6, 7, 8. This is A complement. Clear? Now B complement. Okay, what is B complement? That means all the elements of universal set except the elements of B. Universal set का सारा elements बस B का elements छोड़ के. So what are the elements of B? 5, 6, 7. So 5, 6, 7. There's 3 elements we should not take, otherwise all the elements we have to take here. 3, 4 and 8. Okay, this is the B complement. Now we have to find out what? A complement intersection B complement. A complement intersection B complement. So what is A complement? This set, and B complement this set. Now intersection of A complement and B complement. Intersection means what? Common elements of the two sets. So what are the common elements of two sets? 3, 4, no, 4, no, 8. 3 or 8, 3 or 8. So what is the set? 3 and 8. This is the set. Clear? Now we have to find out what? A union B complement. That means what? First of all we have to find out A union B. Then we have to find out the complement of it. Okay? So first of all we will not do. First of all we will find out A union B. So what is A and what is B? A and B. So what is the union? Union means all the elements of A, all the elements of B and the common elements of A and B. So 4, 5. So 5 you can see this is the common element. So what are the elements? 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the A union B. Now we have to find out what? A union B complement. That means what? All the elements of universal set except A union B. All the elements of universal set except A union B. यूनिवर्सल सेट का सारा एलिमेंट्स लेना पड़ेगा बस वो छोड़ के जो A यूनियन B का एलिमेंट्स है. क्लियर? सो व्हाट आर द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ A यूनियन B? 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is having left? 3 and 8. So 3 and 8. Okay, this is the another example. I think now you are having 70% clear and 20% you will be cleared in after having the solution of the exercise. Okay, so pause the video to note it down. Now we will know about properties of complement of a set. Okay, we will know about properties of complement of a set. So first property is A union A complement is equals to what? A union A complement is equals to universal set. Why? Suppose this is the universal set, this is A, and A complement means this whole part, this part without A is called what? A complement. And union, so A and A complement, what is the union of these two things? That means all the elements of A, all the elements of A complement, and common elements of there, so there are no any common element. Okay, यूनिवर्सल सेट किसका? ए और ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट का. तो यूनिवर्सल सेट क्या होगा? ए का सारा एलिमेंट, ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट का सारा एलिमेंट. ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट कौन सा पोर्शन है? बस ए छोड़ के यूनिवर्सल सेट का सारा पोर्शन है ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट. ओके, तो इन दोनों का यूनियन क्या आएगा? ए का एलिमेंट, ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट का एलिमेंट, दोनों मिला के तो यू ही हो गया ना यूनिवर्सल सेट. क्लियर? नंबर 2, A intersection A complement is equals to 5. A intersection A complement, that means what? A complement क्या है? A छोड़ के जो है वो है A complement. Okay, except A, all the elements of U is A complement. Now there is no any common elements of A and A complement. Already I told you A complement means what? All the elements except only A. तो A complement के A complement में A का कोई एलिमेंट है ही नहीं, तो कॉमन एलिमेंट आएगा कहां से? तो कॉमन एलिमेंट कोई आएगा नहीं. दैट मीन्स इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ दिस टू सेट्स इज 5. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी, A union A union B complement is equals to A complement intersection B complement and A complement A intersection B complement is equals to A complement union B complement. So what is it? Try to understand. I had given the example of the second question, second example I had given. Just check it. We have already find out here this. We have already found there that A union B complement and A complement intersection B complement. Then now check there, they are same or not. I think this one or this one part we have done there, so do check it, are they same or not. Okay, so how to keep remember this formula? A union B complement, whenever we are having here union and in power complement, then whenever we will write separately, then we have to take the opposite of union, that means intersection. And whenever you will have here intersection, then after outside it will become union. This is the law, and this law is called what? This is called De Morgan's law. Okay, very important thing it is. Okay, De Morgan's law. Okay, now next thing, U complement is equals to 5. Why? This is the universal set, and U complement means we cannot take any element of U. U complement means what? We cannot take any element of U. So any element, we cannot take any element of U, that means there is no element. U का मतलब ही होता है यूनिवर्सल सेट जिसमें सारा एलिमेंट्स है. यूनिवर्सल सेट का मतलब ही होता है कि उसमें सारा एलिमेंट्स है. अब यूनिवर्सल सेट कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या होगा? यूनिवर्सल सेट के कॉम्प्लीमेंट में यूनिवर्सल सेट का कोई एलिमेंट्स नहीं रहेगा. तो यूनिवर्सल सेट का कोई एलिमेंट्स नहीं है मींस वहां पे कोई एलिमेंट है ही नहीं. तो एलिमेंट्स नहीं है, दैट मीन्स इट इज एन एम्प्टी सेट. ओके. एंड नंबर 4, दैट इज phi complement is equals to u. Okay, phi complement, that is u. Now what is phi? Phi means as is an empty set. Now whenever we will take complement of phi, that means complement of an empty set, that means we cannot take empty set, that means we have to take all the, suppose empty set is this is the empty set outside of the universal set. Whenever we will take complement of universal, that means we cannot take it, we have to take empty set. Whenever we will take phi complement, then phi we cannot take, that means it is an universal, it is the universal set. Okay. And next, last property is 4 and 5. Last property is complement of the complement. Okay, that means a complement and its complement will be a complement and its complement will be a. Why? Universal set, this is a and this is what? A complement. Okay. Now complement of a complement, that means what? We cannot take a complement, means we have to take a. यहाँ पे यूनिवर्सल सेट के अंदर दो ही चीज है, एक है a और एक है a कॉम्प्लीमेंट. अब a कॉम्प्लीमेंट को अगर नहीं लिख सकते, मींस ये वाला पोर्शन, बाहर का पोर्शन नहीं लेंगे, तो हमको अंदर का पोर्शन लेना पड़ेगा, a लेना पड़ेगा. सो दैट्स complement of a complement is equals to a. So these are the properties of the complements or complement of a set. And in exercise 1.5, this much only the introduction we are having, and in next class we will proceed to the exercise 1.5 solution. Okay, note down all the things. Thank you for watching my video.